Right, now we're going to use a little trick to bulk out the sim that we've already got. So I'm going to take this transform node, connect that up, and scale it up a little bit, 1.16, we'll do something like that. Okay, so we're just duplicating what we've got. I'm going to template this node, and then so that it's not identical, we're going to spin it round 180 degrees. Okay, so it's basically like a mirror image of itself. And then I want to move it down into the background. Let's do it, not that, in the other direction, sorry. Let's do minus 2.6 back there. So there's the background. So the camera will be here, and we're going to push all that into the background. Okay, and then if we take a merge, put them together, so there we got twice the number of geometry, but with the same amount of simulation time. Okay, it's very handy to do these kinds of things to save on simulation time if you can, and it's fine. There's nothing wrong with doing that. The only problem is you could get intersections, okay, where we are overlapping the two a bit, and where that's happening you might get some intersections. So if there are any which are really obvious, like I said, the camera will be here and you probably won't really notice the intersections. We can just select them. They're still packed objects, so it's really easy to select them. You just go around and see if they're actually we can just delete one, you don't need to delete both. No, you can take your time and go around, but as I said, unless they're really close to the camera and obvious, which they're not going to be, it doesn't matter too much. You know, I'm finding it hard to find any here. We'll just do that. Here, there's another one. Yeah, I'll delete them. So we've got that. Let's see. There's pretty much the simulation done. I'm going to go here and create a camera. Okay. So I'm going to get in nice and close like that. If we come up to the shelf here, click control click on the camera, and that will create a camera, and we will be looking through the camera itself. It's indicated there. We're looking through this camera, and if you have this lock turned on, when you move around, the camera will follow you around. If I turn it off and move, I will exit the camera. So I have to go back to it, click here, cam 1 to look through, lock again to move around with it. Okay. So I've kind of got these values worked out already. I'm going to do like a 0 here, 1.5 in my Y. In this rotation, 12 here, 0, 0, don't want anything there, and a 2 there. Okay, so that gets us nice and close into the sim. So let's run a flipbook to see how that looks. If you click here on this pane, it will maximize this window, give us the best resolution. I'm just going to click this gizmo as well or on the selection arrow to get rid of that. And then let's run a flipbook. There we go, so that flipbook is done. So let's take a look. So that's nice. We get this rapid slowing down of the beans, and we get this really cool kind of slow motion effect, which looks kind of nice. And again, here you can watch closely if you like and look for intersections, anything that's, you know, obvious. At a glance, I can't really see any, but there could be some, and if they annoy you, you can do the same. Just go back into SOPs and delete them.